What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Yeah, to my little brother.
What's up, Realty Fam?
Again, we're not a reality family. Today we're gonna play Troll Cannot Beat This Tower. Oy, already fell already, bro.
We are comment, where did you live?
Comment, where do you live? Oh, toot, toot, toot. Don't troll me, bro. Thank God. Don't mind the background. That's just my grandma.
Hypertension, maka-maintain usab sa maayong nga pananaw ug
almost.
nindot
This
sa
is
kanin.
a basic
Ug labaw sa
date.
tanan, maka-improve sa atong mga kabukugan, bone strength. So kung mga pika na lang, non-scored
Easy.
coffee,
Sorry,
daghan
I'm
ka
not
mga
talking
benepisyo nga
because
makuha
I'm
niini.
locked in.
Available sa halos na mga butika sa inyong mga
Seems
lugar.
so far,
This game has
Pwede
two
stand by
games.
Maureen, alang sa imong suway.
We don't,
so far, this is too easy.
we don't live. If we cannot beat this tower.
Huh? What are you saying? What is it?
We are not
Oh,
living.
fudge.
We not beat this tower. Two towers.
Yeah, we have to complete 2 tower. There's actually a part 2 to this game.
May gusto ka
This is a part 2 of
sa aking
the
may balak ka.
part 2 of the
Part 2 of the what? The
we're
game.
playing Roblox 3 tower.
Thank God there's no troll.
Sa akin lang
Don't have to worry about the troll, guys.
akitin
To dodge this, almost died. Don't do that.
magwawagi ka. Nakikiusap ako sa'yo.
Oh, malagi
Look
so
up,
bad.
look up.
Oh, oh shit, mag-games. Mag-games lagging. Oh, mag-games lagging, bro. Mag-games lagging.
Look up.
Mag-games lagging. Now fall. Mag-games
Look
lagging.
up.
Okay. Oh, I almost beat that PC.
He
Yeah.
almost beat the tower. He's
What do you mean she? I'm not a girl. I'm a boy.
he is
What do you mean she? I said I'm a boy, not a girl.
he is gay.
Shut up.
That's not true. I'm lying. Shut up.
PJ, don't swear.
Save F-U-C-K.
Huh?
Do you know, guys? F-U-C-K.
Yes,
Ah. Ah. Comment down below if you saying 67. Because I'm not saying 67. I say 69.
Shut up. You shut
Shut
up.
up, you big boy. You are gay.
Shut up. You're gay.
He is gay, bro.
I said I'm not a girl. I'm a boy.
He is gay. Where did you live, guys? Comment down below. Comment down below if you live in USA. And comment down below if you live in Philippines. Because we live in Philippines.
Yeah. Nagpupuyo kami sa Pilipinas.
Shut up, we are English, bro.
Yeah. Most of our viewers is on the US and the Philippines.
And
Shoutout sa mga Pilipino dito.
shut up.
Ouch. Shoutout sa mga Pinoy dito.
Please. This is meant for a bridge and this could and the I-89 average.
Yeah, you're 85 bro. The average.
Dun,
Shoutout sa mga Pinoy dito, guys.
shut up.
Oh, lagging so bad.
Please, please, love. Oh, ha, ha, ha. The girl is gonna troll you.
That's not a girl, bro. Almost died. Almost broke my PC. I mean my phone.
Jump, jump, jump. Jump, bro.
No, no, no. Not the rest.
Two sliders. Nice. Go, bro.
Yeah, finally. Bro. Oh no,
Finally,
ice.
she is gonna fall down. Fall down. Guluga, guluga, guluga.
Shut up, EJ.
Invisible.